how to upgrade Spotify subscription. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Spotify on your browser. So open any of your preferred browsers since this process cannot be done from the Spotify app. So once you have opened your browser, tap on the search bar and search for spotify.com and make sure that you are signed in to the account where you want to upgrade your Spotify subscription. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the view account option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view your current plan. And now if you want to upgrade your plan, then simply tap on your current plan you see there and then tap on the change plan option you see there. Now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the available subscriptions for Spotify. So simply scroll through and then tap on the select option right beside the plan that suits your preference the best. Now, in the next interface, tap on the choose your plan option you see there and then tap on the get option you see there, and you might then be required to enter your payment method in order to complete the upgrading process. Once entered, your upgrading process will be completed. So this is how you can upgrade Spotify subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.